I'm going to show you the easiest way to make 5, 10, 15, even $20,000 per month. Every single person can do this. And honestly, I don't even want to be showing you how easy this is because I don't want everyone doing it. However, I'm going to show you anyway. This is super, super easy. Let's get started straight away. Now, I want you to watch this video. We'll watch maybe 5, 10 seconds of this video. All right. Do you think this is real or do you think this is fake? So you're thinking, WTF, how is this going to make you money? Yeah. This is what I want you guys to understand. Okay. If you go to this guy's profile, so I clicked on Daniel Morales. Now, if you scroll down, he's getting 157,000, 1.2 thousand, 997, 1.3. So he's barely getting any views. But if you scroll up, that video that we just watched has 23 million views. Now, if you're in the Facebook bonus program, they pay you per view. So you can be doing stuff like this on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok Creator Fund, YouTube Pay. So let's just break down what's happening here. Okay, as you can see, normal videos, some are going viral, but most aren't. Okay, 600 views, 400, 600 views, no one cares. But because this is so outrageous, okay, because this is so out there, as soon as you see this on social media, you're going to be thinking WTF. You're going to be sharing it with your friends. You're going to be commenting. Let's just quickly check what people are saying in the comments. I'm looking for English comments. Okay, I'm done with the internet. So this is building engagement. If you scroll down, he's got 1,767 comments. 22 million people have played this video, which is ridiculous. Now, you can get paid if you're in the Facebook bonus program, okay? Now, I didn't know what this meant, okay? So I use Google Translator and it says, people, is it a montage or is this real? Obviously, he knows it's fake, but this gets people talking. Now, 22 million views, guys, 22 million views. If you do stuff like this on TikTok and you're in the TikTok Creator Fund, again, it may not be much, $20 to $40 per million views. Now, it could be a little bit less, it could be a little bit more. But let's just say, what's $30 times 22? That's a bit of money, okay? What if that video was also on Facebook? Well, Facebook, supposedly they pay you $1,000 to $10,000 for 1 million views. That's not the case. It might be the case if it's in-stream video and people are watching for an hour. However, if it's for a reel, you're probably making anywhere from $50 to $400 per million views. So you times that by 22 million or 22, you're making good money. What about Instagram? Okay, let's see how much money this guy makes per million views.
As well as the holiday bonus. So over the last 30 days following that, I've gotten over 1 million impressions, and I've done so without running any ad. As I said, about halfway through this month.
Okay, so 1 million views on Instagram and he's made $120. So what's $120 times 22? That's over $2,000. So that one video, you've made $2,000 on Instagram. You're probably making $2,000, $3,000 on Facebook. You're probably making the same on TikTok, but it gets better. Look at this, guys. Instagram. This video, 17 million views, 42 million, 200 million views for this video. So what's 200 times $100 per million views? You're probably making $10,000 just from this video alone. Guys, this is how easy it is. Now, you can create videos like this in minutes. Before I show you the apps, I'm going to show you one more, okay? And again, there's probably hundreds of these videos that are going viral. Let's go to TikTok. 81 million views. I better pause turn the sound off because I don't want to get any copyright stuff. It's a baby with spaghetti. 33,000 comments. Oh my God. This person has made thousands and thousands and thousands from this video. 29 million, 9 million, 4.8 million. Guys, it's super easy. So all of these videos, so what you need to do is you need to use apps like Hail UI AI, and it costs about $10 a month. Okay, $10 a month. Or you can use Kling AI. And again, I'm not sure how much this is. It plans as low as $7. Oh my God. So you can be generating $5, $10, $15, even $20,000 per month by literally creating photos of cute little things like this. So a baby in a bee costume. So you go on hailui.ai or Kling, and you go create image, and then you say create a cute baby wearing a bee costume. You get exactly what you're after, something cute. Once you have the image, then you go back to Kling or to this app, and then you say,
go to the Hailuo AI.
Turn this image into a video, into something cute. Make this baby dance, make this baby walk, make this baby fight a rooster. 81 million views, guys. This is so easy. So again, I'm going to finish this video here. What I want you guys to do is take action. Find a niche, create a TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel, and start doing AI stuff, because people are watching this stuff. You might think this is stupid. Your friends might think this is stupid. I think this is stupid, but if it's generating you $10,000, $20,000 a month and it's easy, anyone can do it. Who cares? Glad you watched this video. I'm going to be doing more videos like this on how to make money online through social media. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.